Have you noticed how everyone's talking about AI these days? The endless parade of tools, platforms, and revolutionary solutions, ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, DALL-E, Gemini, all promising to transform your business, generate unlimited content, and solve all your marketing problems. And yet, despite all these incredible AI advances, most businesses are seeing zero improvement in their actual results. Let me ask you something. If you've tried using AI for your business, are you getting more traffic than before AI existed? Are your sales consistently higher thanks to AI? Do you have more free time now that AI is handling tasks for you? For 99% of entrepreneurs, the honest answer is a frustrated no to all three questions. In fact, many are now spending more time wrestling with AI prompts, more money on fancy AI tools, and getting fewer results than they did before AI came along. It's not supposed to be this way, but the uncomfortable truth is that most people are using AI completely wrong. I'm Neil Napier, and along with my business partner Chris Munch, we've spent over $40,000 and a full year of relentless testing to discover why AI is failing most businesses. What we found shocked us. The vast majority of entrepreneurs, we're talking over 99%, are stuck at what we call level 0 AI implementation. They're asking ChatGPT basic questions, getting mediocre results, and wondering why the AI revolution isn't transforming their business. It's like having a Ferrari and only using it to drive to the end of your driveway. We discovered that most AI tools available today are nothing but fancy wrappers around the same basic models. They promise the world but deliver disappointment. Think about your current experience with AI. You spend hours crafting the perfect prompt. You review and fix the AI-generated content. You constantly monitor outputs for errors. You keep up with endless platform changes. You waste time learning new tools that don't deliver. What should have been a breakthrough has become a burden. What should have created time freedom has become a time trap. What should have accelerated growth has become yet another task on your to-do list. But here's the exciting part. Through our extensive research and testing, we identified something revolutionary. There are actually 3 distinct levels of AI implementation, and virtually no one is progressing beyond level 0. We call our discovery the 3-level AI mastery blueprint, and it's completely transformed how we use AI in our businesses. When you progress through all 3 levels of our blueprint, you unlock automated traffic that grows consistently, increased sales from higher quality leads, complete time freedom as AI does the work for you. In the last 90 days alone, our level 3 AI systems have generated over $60,000 in revenue, all while we focused on high-level strategy instead of day-to-day operations. In fact, here's a photo of me creating high-converting sales pages on my phone while shopping thanks to our AI systems. This isn't just convenient, it's complete business transformation. That's why we've decided to host the AI Traffic Accelerator Challenge, a 3-day live training event where we'll walk you through exactly how to implement our 3-level AI mastery blueprint in your own business. This isn't another theoretical course where you're left to figure things out on your own. This is a step-by-step implementation program where you'll actually build your AI traffic systems during the challenge. Here's exactly what you'll discover during our 3 days together. Day 1. A $100 million truth about the AI revolution for real people. The path from AI overwhelm with no competitive advantage to AI pro growing a highly profitable automated business. Day 2. How to get free organic AI traffic from everywhere. The secrets behind getting the highest ROI traffic to grow any business in any niche with highly automated AI systems. Day 3. 5x yourself and future-proof your business using AI. Get more from your business and your life now while protecting yourself from the big changes to come. Plus, when you join the challenge today, you'll also receive these valuable bonuses. 24-hour replay access so you can catch up on any sessions you miss. An extra seat for your partner or spouse so you can learn together. Access to our private Facebook community for ongoing support. Cliff note summaries of each session for quick reference. A live Ask Me Anything session where you can get all your questions answered. All of these bonuses alone are worth thousands, but they're yours free when you join the challenge today. Now you might be wondering what an immersive training like this would cost. Given the results our system is generating, we could easily charge $997 or more. In fact, our private clients pay us $5,000 plus for this exact information, but we've made it our mission to make this accessible to as many entrepreneurs as possible. That's why we're not charging $997. We're not even charging $497 or even $297. For this special challenge launch, you can secure your spot for just $37. Yes, you heard that correctly. Just $37 gets you access to the complete 3-day live challenge plus all the bonuses. But I have to warn you, this special pricing won't last long, and spaces are strictly limited. Once we reach capacity, registration will close. The challenge starts on the 17th of April at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and we won't be recording the sessions for the general public. Only challenge participants will have access. This is truly a be there or miss out opportunity. And remember, this isn't just another AI course. This is a proven system that's generating real traffic, sales, and time freedom for entrepreneurs just like you. Look, you have two choices. You can continue down the path of content creation burnout, algorithm anxiety, and traffic unpredictability. Or you can join us for this 3-day challenge and implement a proven system that generates free, organic traffic on complete autopilot. One path leads to more of the same. The other leads to the traffic breakthrough you've been searching for. The most valuable asset any entrepreneur has is time. And that's exactly what the 3-level AI traffic blueprint gives back to you. Time to focus on what matters most in your business and your life. We've invested thousands of hours and tested countless approaches to develop this blueprint. We've refined it through real-world application across dozens of niches and business models. We've proven that it works not just for us, but for ordinary entrepreneurs just like you. But we have to be transparent. This challenge isn't for everyone. If you're looking for a magic button that requires zero effort, this isn't it. While our system is designed to run on autopilot once set up, the initial implementation does require you to follow our instructions and put the pieces in place. However, if you're ready to invest a few hours over 3 days to build a traffic system that could serve you for years to come, we can't wait to welcome you inside. Click the button below now to secure your spot in the AI Traffic Accelerator Challenge for just $37. But don't wait, spaces are limited, and once we're full, registration will close. Ask yourself, 30 days from now, do you want to be in the same place you are today? Or do you want to have a fully functioning AI traffic system bringing you visitors, sales, and time freedom on autopilot? The choice is yours. Click the button below to join the AI Traffic Accelerator Challenge. I look forward to seeing you there.